Good morning, students. I myself, Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Navada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my third video lecture of lesson 13 of class 4, and the topic is agriculture in India. As I have already discussed you in my previous video about different kinds of crops like rice, wheat, etc. Now today I am going to discuss about some important crops like oil seeds, tea, coffee, etc. So now come to the chapter. What is or what are oil seeds? Yes, oil seeds are the seeds of the plant from which oil is extracted. And oil seeds, when we study, we find like as mustard, groundnut, sesame, and sunflower. These plants are called oil seeds plant because these plants have seeds in which oil is found. Oil is extracted from the oil seeds which is used in cooking our food. They have, it means they grow well in warm climate. In which type of climate oil seeds grow well? Oil seeds grow in a warm climate with moderate rainfall. Like this, when we study, we find they are grown in different parts of the country. Now we come to know about tea and coffee. What are tea and coffee? Yes, tea is one of the major cash crops of our country. Our country India produces tea on a larger scale. In fact, we can say that India is the largest producer of tea in the world. So which country is the largest producer of tea in all of the world? Our country India. Tea is the most popular beverage in India. Beverage it means पेय. तो चाय एक महत्वपूर्ण पेय पदार्थ है हमारे देश में and it requires warm and wet climate. Which type of climate? Tea require? Yes, it means tea requires warm and wet climate. It is mostly grown in Assam, parts of West Bengal and the Nilgiri hills in the south. So now we have already known about tea. Now we come to know about coffee. What is a coffee? Yes, coffee is mostly grown in Kerala. In which state? In Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So these are the three states of India where coffee is mostly grown. Which type of climate coffee requires? Yes, it requires cool weather and heavy rainfall. It means coffee is that plant which requires cool weather and heavy rainfall. Now we come to know about spices. Spices it means masale. Spices include pepper, chilies, clove, cinnamon, and cardamom. These are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. These are called spices. Besides the food crops and the cash crops, our country India also produces a variety of fruits and vegetables. As we study about fruits like apple, orange, etc. So now we have studied about these crops, these important crops, and now we will discuss about helping the farmers. Yes, agricultural production has vastly increased since independence due to various steps taken by the government. It means Indian government has taken various steps to improve our agricultural production. Many multi-purpose projects have been launched to irrigate the farms and farmers are being educated about the benefits of manures and organic fertilizers. Now, when we study about the taken steps by the government, it means by Indian government, we can study that government also provides loans to the farmers. Why? So that farmers can buy modern agriculture tools and machines such as tractors and threshers. These are very important agricultural tools. Better quality seeds are also given to farmer so that crops may be grown more and more. So like this, these are the helping steps of Indian government for the farmers in agricultural field. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Now study the chapter and try to solve the given question in your exercise. Thank you.